Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Questions and Answers for Trivia Quiz. Today's question is, what animal's nickname is sea cow? The animal nicknamed sea cow refers to the manatee. Manatees are large, aquatic herbivorous mammals that are often associated with calm and gentle behavior. They are primarily found in shallow, slow-moving rivers, estuaries, coastal areas, and nearshore marine waters of tropical and subtropical regions around the world. The nickname, sea cow, likely originates from their grazing habits and somewhat similar body shape to land-dwelling cows. Manatees are known for their slow, graceful movements and are important marine mammals in terms of conservation efforts. Manatees, often dubbed sea cows, are intriguing marine mammals that evoke a sense of gentle giants in the waters they inhabit. These creatures belong to the order Sirenia, which includes dugongs and the extinct Steller's sea cow. Physically, manatees are characterized by their large, cylindrical bodies that taper to a flat, paddle-shaped tail. They typically grow to lengths of 10 to 12 feet, 3 to 3.7 meters, and can weigh between 800 to 1,200 kilograms, 1,800 to 2,600 pounds. Their skin is wrinkled and often covered with algae due to their slow movement and tendency to rest near the water's surface. One fascinating aspect of manatees is their unique respiratory system and behavior when it comes to breathing. Unlike most other mammals, manatees do not have a diaphragm. Instead, they rely on the contraction of their intercostal muscles between the ribs, to expand and contract their lungs, allowing them to take in air. Manatees are obligate breathers, which means they must surface regularly to breathe. They typically rise to the surface every 3 to 5 minutes to take a breath, but can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes when resting or sleeping. When surfacing to breathe, they usually exhale first and then inhale, making a distinctive pfft sound that is audible above the water. Their breathing behavior is essential to their survival but also makes them vulnerable to collisions with boats, as they often surface just below the water's surface and can be difficult to spot from above. Another interesting adaptation related to their breathing is that manatees have a dense network of blood vessels around their lungs and ribcage, which helps to store oxygen and regulate buoyancy. This adaptation allows them to remain buoyant in the water without expending much energy, which is advantageous for their slow-moving lifestyle and conservation of energy. Overall, manatees' respiratory adaptations reflect their evolutionary adaptation to aquatic life and highlight their dependence on their aquatic habitats for survival. Manatees are herbivores, consuming a diet mainly composed of aquatic plants such as sea grasses and algae. They are well adapted to their herbivorous lifestyle with specialized molars for grinding plant material. The answer for the question is manatees. Manatees are often dubbed sea cows. These mammals are known for their peaceful demeanor, often seen leisurely swimming or floating just beneath the water's surface. Despite their large size, they are generally slow-moving and pose no threat to humans. In fact, they are quite curious and may approach boats or swimmers out of curiosity. However, manatees face numerous threats in their natural habitats, including habitat loss due to coastal development, collisions with boats, entanglement in fishing gear, and pollution. As a result, all three species of manatees, West Indian, West African, and Amazonian, are classified as vulnerable or endangered. Efforts are underway worldwide to conserve and protect manatee populations, including habitat preservation, establishment of sanctuaries, and public awareness campaigns. Despite these challenges, manatees continue to capture the imagination of people worldwide with their gentle nature and unique adaptations to life in aquatic environments. Thanks for watching.